Hello guys, how are you doing? So in this course you'll learn Node.js API development. This course is for absolute beginners. In this course you'll learn all the core fundamentals of Node.js. So if Node.js has been confusing to you, this course will make it extremely simple and easy to understand and in a very short time. Alright, so in this course you'll learn modern JavaScript, the core concept of Node.js such as event loop, asynchronous programming. You're going to learn how to use npm modules, creating servers, connecting to database, and sending API responses. All right, so that's the beginning part where you learn the basics of Node.js, make yourself comfortable, and then you will go ahead and build this massive project. Now once you learn the basics, you can build any kinds of projects because you are now equipped with the core fundamentals, right? That's what people lack. So they always learn how to build project without the core concept, without the core knowledge. So they never feel really comfortable. However, this course will give you rock solid understanding so that you can go ahead and build any kind of simple to complex projects. So in this project, as you can see, this is a massive project. This is a marketplace application for real estate. All right, so we'll have two types of users, buyers and sellers. Buyers will come looking for houses to rent or buy, whereas sellers or the real estate agents will be coming into the application to add a listing for selling or renting houses. And here, while building this project, you will learn a lot of core concepts that you can use in real world development, such as using AWS services such as S3 and SES for storage, storing your photos, images. You can use SES to send emails. You will learn IAM to manage the user's identity access management. You will learn to build your own authentication system with JWT. All right, so password forgot, reset, authentication, authorization, protecting routes, creating a beautiful project setup with routes and controllers so your code is well organized. Obviously you will master how to interact with MongoDB. Password management is there, using AWS S3 for storing images, which will be incredible knowledge to any real world projects. Right, so we'll also learn to integrate Google Maps, and we will save the latitude, longitude, all those things you need to display such information, the map information in the front end. All right, so this is API, but we have thought about everything you would need when it comes to building your front end using this API. All right, so you will learn advanced CRUD, create, read, update, and delete. User can manage their ads. There is a contact agent functionality which is crucial in this type of application, and advanced searching and filtering of ads. That's another extremely important topic which we have covered in detail. Okay, so properties will be given to the users on their search using geolocation, so we send the nearby locations ads, and then finally we're going to deploy to the cloud servers as well. So you'll learn all of that. So once you build this beautiful API, you will also learn to deploy it. So you can see it's already deployed to the cloud. It is running on this IP, and you see the API is giving you the response. All right, beautiful. And one of the most important thing is it also has a PDF booklet that has all the source code for pretty much all the lectures. So while you're following a video course, you always have to the pause, go back or rewind, forward. It's really time consuming and it's really tiring, right? So that's why whenever there is a need for you to better understand the code, maybe you need to copy the source code, or maybe sometimes you may not even feel like watching the video, you just want to see the steps and do it yourself. All right, so whatever that is, this booklet will be incredible help for you. All right, so you can even use it as a guide for your future projects. So instead of watching the videos all the time, you can always rely on the booklet, nice and easy. All right, so this course is absolutely incredible, a must have for any Node.js developers, you will be able to build rock solid API using Node and all other related technologies. Also, if you're completely new to Node.js and you want to master Node.js, master the API development, then this course is the right course for you. It has over 120,000 of students globally, and there have been incredible reviews. So go through them to get bit more understanding on how other students are reacting to this course. All right, so I'm very excited to welcome you to this incredible journey. Enroll into this course, and I'll see you inside the course.